These are the bays where we want to mount our solar panels, and today we are going to be showing you how to mount solar panels in the roof. Please stay tuned so that you'll see how we prepared the bases and also how we mount the solar panels. We are going to mount total of 22 pieces of solar panels today. As you can see, the work is already going on. We are mounting 22 pieces of solar panel, which will be charging 2 litmus batteries of a 5 kVA inverter. Please stay tuned so that you will be able to see how we mount firmly the solar panels one after the other. Please stay with us. And also, please tap the like button and also share this video, and do well to follow this channel. We do electrical work every day, and if you follow this panel, we'll be bringing you different kinds of electrical work. As you must have known, this channel is mainly for D&I electrical work, domestic and industrial electrical works. And if you follow these panels, believe me, whatever electrical work that you want to know about, you will come across it. I will be posting on a daily basis on this channel all kinds of electrical works that you will need to know, both domestic and industrial electrical works. Today is the mounting of the solar panels. Then in my next video, I will also bring how the connection is being made. So please stay tuned. Follow this channel, please, so that you will get to know how the connection is being done after mounting it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video. Encourage me by sharing this video. Encourage me by following the channel so that I will be posting more of this kind of video for you to watch. Thank you very much as you stay tuned. And also, if you have any kind of electrical work, you can contact us. We are here. Any kind of electrical works, inverters, house wiring, piping, cable tray works, building of panels, building of electrical panels, any kind of work that you want us to do, please do well to contact us through this channel within Nigeria. We are based in Nigeria, so if you want us to do any kind of electrical work for you, please contact us. Thank you very much as you do so.